Good morning. It's Monday, August 4th. It's BC Day. It's about 9 a.m. in the morning. Probably we're at the home park here, Cartwright. It's probably about 20 Celsius or so. And we're just getting our day, the important things in our day rolling here. Tja, hats off to you. There's a nice little spot here. Hats off, my friends. Hats off. Look at this. Power trail down there. Let's roll. Let's roll. Yeah, cool. Gotta watch my step here. There's lots of cactus. As you well know, I am adjacent to the great cactus patch right here. Let's keep rolling. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi. You stay out of that cactus patch, man. You're going to get those in your paws.
No way. He actually ate one the other day. I was like, dude, you're making it tough, right? Like, this is not a snack.
Yeah, that's too spicy for me.
Exactly. I was like, what do you want, man?
Yeah. That lady was nice, and her doggy was nice. That remind me of Buster Brown. I remember my aunt and uncle, it was my cousin's dog, Buster Brown. He was had that same personality. You know, he didn't know if he was saying hello or he was getting ready to snap. That's just poodly, just being poodly, right? Doggies will be doggies. Birds of a feather flock together. Remember that old saying? All those old sayings people used to say? That's supposed to sum things up for you. I guess it makes sense, don't it? Up and away, my friends. Up and away. Smoke. A little bit of smoke. Happy BC Day. That's BC down there, everybody. Let's go. Let's go.
I have a camera, but I gave to my son. I said, I think I'm going to get another camera before I head to, I was thinking about going, what do you call it? Van life, you know?
Yeah, cool.
Because here in Canada is a lot safer than in the United States.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's terrible there, you know?
Yeah.
Towards the East Coast. I've been to the East Coast.
Yeah, I haven't been across to Canada all the way yet, but...
Prince Edward Island is beautiful, but of course you have to cross the Pacific.
Yeah.
Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah.
I flew, that was a long time ago. I have all the pictures. I went to the, you know, that TV series.
Yeah.
On the TV, oh gee. There's a famous actor in the TV series. Oh gee, what was his name? This is a family like. Country.
Oh yeah, the one from out there, the one that they made out there.
Yeah, the film at the Charlottetown.
Oh, Green Gables or something like that. I know Green Gables. Yeah. What's your accent? I said since.
Philippines.
Yeah, I've been to Philippines.
I've been here 42 years.
Yeah. You never lose that accent. That's for sure.
Yeah, I know. I have a very hard time. I'm from the West.
Yeah.
From Cebu.
Yeah. I've been to Cebu. Yeah.
I've been to Cebu. I speak dialect, Cebuana.
Yeah.
I do have a small land outside Cebu.
Yeah.
But we do have cousin in Cebu. My son just loved it there. He went there maybe 2 times. He said, Mom.
Yeah.
He actually bought me a ticket just last spring.
Yeah.
I said, oh my God, I'm not ready yet, son. So I just can't. But it's, I like to visit, to go in the island, not to stay in the city, right?
Yeah.
To go to the island. You've been to Lapu-Lapu?
Yeah.
I like to go on the beach, you know, beautiful beach.
I've been thinking about going back there pretty soon. I haven't been to Philippines in about 5 or 6 years. I really want to go. It was nice to meet you. What was your name?
MJ.
Jane Berry.
Oh, hi, hello, Berry.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Maybe we'll see you out here again.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, you take care. And you got the Filipino friendliness. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, isn't that fun? Well, let's go. Huh. Isn't that funny? Meeting that lady again. That was just like a minute after the previous clip, right? She talked a lot more than that too before I turned the camera on. But that's nice. She was just pumped about being out here on an early morning hike. Of a feather together, they say. Oh yeah. The facility, boys and girls. I always think of Dr. Krieger when I'm up here. This is where he does his experiments, up here. Krieger's lab. If you don't know who Krieger is, Googlify him. Krieger. Oh, so lovely. Okay, don't bore the people. Hats off to you. My cat would love this. Likes to prowl the perimeters. He would. What next? This is the tree I've referred to as a hanging tree before. I don't know if there was any actual hanging done at that tree. Oh, hey. Wow. Pretty dry. Hey. Why do you think it is people can't resist clickbait? Even though they've been told about clickbait, it'd be like telling the fish about the hook, right? Or the worm. Scroll all day long. Taking bait from hook after hook after hook. Is it that pleasurable? Or is it completely out of people's control? People are blind to the manipulation. But, or, you can just seek out things that make you feel better, or make you healthier, or make you a little bit more money. Just keeping in mind, these sites, they're going to tell you what you want to hear. Remember that. Maybe you should be on the sites that they're telling you things you don't want to hear, not what you want to hear. Old man advice, my friends. Keep it real, keep it honest. My delicate little flowers. Well, we've had it up. I think we're going to try and keep it short today. I don't know. I would think so. I don't feel like going very far today. Everybody's out enjoying the day. Look at all these people down here. Cool. Okay. Let's go. Let's get down the hill. Let's get down the hill and see what we can find. See if we can find a snake. I'd like to see a snake. A neat little house. Hydro house. Cool. Let's go. All these little industrial buildings everywhere. It's even got air conditioning, man. I'm going to move in there. That's nice. Oh, that's nice. What a nice day. Look at this tree. Remember we did a video about it grew up lying down? This tree is, it's gone over and now it's growing, it seems to be doing fine, just like growing right on the ground. Isn't that weird? I think it's very weird. Can you see it? Can you see me now? How about now? Can you see that tree? See? That's just one of the roots, but it's lying down right on the ground, man. Growing on the ground. Good for you, tree. Actually, wouldn't be a bad place if you were a bird, right? Okay. You wouldn't have to be a good flyer to build your nest in here, would you? Not very good at all. He gone. He right there. Let go. Let's go. Uh-huh. Oi. Oi. Let's check our phone, I suppose. Just a long weekend. You never know. Family and such, right? No, nobody. Nobody. Oh, well. Good enough. Maybe I should have some water. What do you think? Yeah, let's have some H2O. Yeah, yeah. Watch out for cactus. Power! More power! Ah. The hike's working its magic. Feeling relaxed now. Hey, bug. I got a bug on my knee. I got the juniper or the dragonfly. Hello, red dragonfly. Hello, my friend. What are you doing? Huh? You're red, man. Oh. I'm starting to zombify. The Walking Dead. Hmm. 755 over. Oh, very informative. Oh, oh, ow, ooh, ooh, ow, ow, ooh, 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 hello. Olympic Nines, Ultras, sponsor me. I'm not kidding. Put more miles on these things than anybody I know. Serious. Ultra Olympic nights. Will get your feet where they need to go. Foot's eye view. Oh, here we go. Well, I found something here. Hopefully it'll work. Ooh, I'm breaking it in. Ah, that's good enough. That's a new find. Shh. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Shh. 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 Don't tell anyone. It's not perfect, but it's doable. 10:21, August 4th. I wonder what the temperature is. Let's see. 22. Wow. It's not particularly exciting, is it? But I thought I'd give you that, right? Weather update. Dufferin, not Strawberry, Kenna Cartwright Park is.